Polymer clay is an oil-based clay. So obviously oil and water doesn't mix. So when you put the acrylic onto an oil base, the first thing that happens is it beads up and doesn't adhere. So the way you get around that, and I like to use really old brushes for this. Old brushes that have had, a lot of years and they get kind of frayed, but they still have a good snap to it. They're not super soft, they're not super hard. They're like kind of in between. Those are my favorite kind of brushes to use for this application. So I take it, this is a dry brush. I haven't dipped it in the water yet. I'm gonna just take it right to my paint, load it up, and then I take it over to my paper towel and kind of wipe the excess. And I just rub it all over my boot, into the cracks, thin, very thin.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.